All right, right now there's a lot of cool stuff here for Father's Day. They've got a lot of golf things in, clubs, bags, gloves, balls. If you need a Father's Day gift and if you have Top Golf around you, get your guys one of these. This is a good deal. You get two $50 gift cards for $79.99. That is a great gift for your guys. Derek loves Top Golf. Ooh, maybe I'll make this part of his Father's Day. Oh my gosh, look at this chair. I'd get stuck in it. That would be cool. I'm sure the guys would love it. It's for $49.99. Not too bad. Oh, we love cornhole. We love playing this, like having a barbecue. So fun. So they have a set here from Metal Sports for $99.99. That is really cool, but I can only do so much rocking. It makes me seasick. When I was younger, I could swing all day long, rock all day long, spin, 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 and now I'm like, let me know if you're the same double O. Oh yeah, how fun. Do you guys like to paddleboard? I suck at it, but I love it. My girls love doing it too. So this is from Body Glove, inflatable stand-up paddleboard for basically $400. They have from Chaps these crew neck knit dresses. They have my size in the black and white one, but I am drawn to this green. Green is my favorite, but I am not seeing any smalls. I'm wondering if I can order this online, and it's on sale, $5 off for $14.99. Seriously, how cute is this dress? So they have these Hillary Radley ladies Bermuda shorts for $9.97. I got a pair here last year. It was khaki, like these. I love them. But this one's actually a darker khaki. The one I have is very light. I like this darker color a lot more. But ooh, they have it in this striped one. Those are cute. They have these Skechers Luxe Foam sandals. They come in different colors. This is the pink one. Those are cute. And these are for $21.99. That's a good deal. Oh, here's Costco's version of the butter toffee cashews. I know the ones at Sam's Club are toffee, but this is $7.99 for 24 ounces. If you've had these, will you let me know? Good. Okay, here's something new to me from Blue Diamond, the chili and lime almonds. I have never seen this here. So a zesty kick of chili balanced with a hint of lime. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. If you've tried these, will you let me know? So for 2.81 ounces, you can get them for $13.59. Okay, this is new to me from Hawaiian Host, strawberries and cream, white chocolate macadamias, dusted with strawberry powder. What? And there's 16 ounces for $12.89. Oh my gosh. I wonder how they are. If you guys tried these, let me know in the comments so we all know. But man, I wish there were samples because that would be really yummy to try. I have not seen these, the Snack Club chili and lime gummy bears. What? Flavor gummy bears sprinkled with tahine. I know I'm saying that wrong. Chili and lime seasoning. Oh my goodness. If you have tried this, will you let us know? There's 24 bags in this for $12.49. There's orange, pineapple, strawberry, apple, lemon. Oh my word. That's so interesting. And there's from Devon's Chocolate, milk chocolate honey peanut butter bears, made with honey, peanut butter, and creamy milk chocolate, individually wrapped. What? For $9.79. Interesting. All right, well, let us know in the comments. This is some Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. Love them. Can you guys tell I have a sweet tooth? I totally do. I love toffee. I love lemon. These are their lemon bar toffees. 16 ounces for $11.49. Okay, this is new from, I want to say, Solely Organic Fruit Jerky. Mango and pineapple, no sugar added, no artificial anything but the fruit. So this is a 16 count for $15.99. Look how cute this packaging is. This is from Karen's Bakery, and they are Danish puff pastries. It's 16.9 ounces for $7.89. So puff pastries with strawberry and vanilla cream filling. How pretty is this box? Seriously. We don't buy it often, but usually like for family beach trips and lake trips, we have to have our famous Amos chocolate chip cookies. They are so good, so addicting. There's 42 pouches in here, and they're 2 ounces each. Oh, they're so good. For $18.49. I'm praying that I see a sale on them before like the summer. We don't have a lake trip planned yet, but seriously, I can eat literally 2 bags in one sitting, but they're our favorite. So there is this 15 count Poppy variety pack. So there's root beer, grape, and Doc Pop, which I'm guessing is like Dr. Pepper, which is like the grossest drink ever. Let me know in the comments, are you Dr. Pepper fans? I think it tastes like cough medicine, but you get 15 in here for $19.99. And also you can get the strawberry lemon, orange, and cherry limeade. There's 5 grams less sugar in these, no fake stuff, and there's probiotics in here for your gut. Very cool. I've never tried it. Let me know what you guys think of Poppy. The Tommy Bahama chairs are back. These are our favorite beach chairs. So for $39.99, there's a pocket on the back, a little pocket on the side, and you wear it like a backpack. Look how fun. They have like a dragon up there for the water. How fun would that to be on the lake with the kids climbing all over that dragon? I love this camp cot. This is from Cascade Mountain Tech, and it's for $49.99. Holds up to 300 pounds. Yeah, I'd rather sleep on a cot while camping than just like my sleeping bag on the ground in the tent. This is how I like to do it. Oh, and for $14.99 from Cascade, they have this hammock. That's fun. Doesn't she just look relaxed? She's like, I am not at home. I'm in the wilderness, relaxing, but she still has to do the dishes while she's camping, right? Yeah, you know she does. This 3-tier basket is really cool, and you can use this in any part of your home. You can put that in your pantry, your bathroom, from Seville Classics Home, and it's for $29.99. Okay, this is a cool bag by Keep Cool. It's a shopping cooler. It is $9.99. It zips up on the inside and then flops over. You have a little pocket in the front. Isn't that fancy? They have the Scrub Daddies here in 8-pack for $16.59. Flex Texture Scrubby, soft in warm water and firm in cold water. I know these work really, really good. Cascade is on sale, both the gel and the little packets. So the Cascade Complete I am like drawing a blank on what these are called. I don't know, action packs? I don't know. These are on sale for $13.69 and they're normally $18.49, so you're gonna save $4.80. I'm gonna get the Cascade Gel for $7.99. It's 125 ounces and it's normally $10.99, so we save $3. Oh, as I walk away, it comes to me. Pods, right? They're pods? Let me know in the comments. Pods? Yeah, I think they're pods. I really do love this self-watering cedar planter. I think this is so cool, especially if you're not a big gardener and want to try gardening. It's for $150, but I think that is so nice. And it's up, so you don't have to like completely bend over onto the ground. This comes up to the middle of my thigh. That's really cool. A metal garden lantern for $47. That would be nice to have like either on your porch or in your garden. Look at this gazebo. Wouldn't that be amazing to have in the yard? Oh, we're looking for something for our patio. This is gorgeous. It's like a jungle in Costco. They have some trees in, some Japanese maples. They've got all sorts of, look at this, my goodness. We're starting to work in our yard right now, and I have some ideas that I'd like to do for flowers, but I'm gonna have my friend Denise help me because she is actually a master gardener and she puts together like pots like this for a nursery, and they're gorgeous, like big pots that are just overflowing. You should see her yard. There's some really nice looking plants here. Let me know. Have you already started on planting? What have you been planting? Now this is a really good deal on the Best Foods real mayonnaise. There's 2 bottles. They're each 25 fluid ounces. So altogether 50 ounces. Well, it's on sale. You can save $3 for $6.99. At the grocery store, the 30 to 32 ounces are normally priced around $6. So getting 50 for $6.99, that's a good deal. Even though it's not all together, it's 2 separate bottles. Save $3. That is a good deal. Okay, a variety pack of ketchup, relish and mustard. $1.30 for $5.59. That makes them like $1.39 each. So the ketchup is 31 ounces, the relish is 26 ounces, and the mustard is 28 ounces. That is even better than a sale price for the relish and mustard at the grocery store. And really, that's an amazing price for 31 ounces for the ketchup. I just wish that it wasn't sweet relish and it was dill relish. Yeah, but this is a great deal. Okay, I spotted this not too long ago. It is Sicilian eggplant sauce. Oh my gosh, made with 100% Italian cherry tomatoes. That just sounds insanely good to me, and it's on sale for $8.99. That's a lot for 2 jars. I would really love to try it, so I think I'm gonna do that because I am so intrigued. And I guess it's better to try it on sale versus not, right? And I haven't seen this in a regular grocery store. I'll try that. I love having this in my freezer from Bird's Eye, the garlic chicken. There's grilled white chicken and pasta in a garlic sauce with broccoli, carrots, and corn. It is a great, fast go-to meal if you don't have time to cook. I like having something like this in my freezer, but it's on sale, you guys, for $7.39. You save $3.30. So this is 63 ounces. This is actually a really good deal to have in your freezer. I'm definitely gonna get this. I'm loving all the summer things. What are you finding at your Costco right now that you're impressed with the price? What did you see here today that you're like, maybe I need to go check that out? Leave it in the comments. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye.